Today is the fourth day of our journey in Arunachal, and after staying one night at Tawang, we are going to visit Bumla and Sangeshteso. After having very delicious breakfast at Tawang local market, we are starting our today's journey around 8:30 am. Due to our journey in May, also today it is overcasting and expecting to rain anytime. Today we have to travel a bit upwards with high altitude, more than 15,000 feet, and the distance of Bumla from Tawang is 37 km approx. It is often covered with heavy snow throughout the year and one of the most offbeat passes in the world. Due to security issues, we have to visit there by 1 pm. So we will first go to Bumla. Though overcasting, the morning scenario during today's journey is really breathtaking. There are numerous abandoned military bunkers once used during the war, and also military camp, as this zone is highly secure. Tawang has a number of high altitude lakes. Locals say that there are in total 108 lakes spread all over the district. Now we are at Fitisho. The well-known Pankong Teng Lake is about 18 to 20 km from Tawang and at an altitude of 12,000 feet in the eastern Himalaya. Taking rest for some time here and photo shoot it. This is Y Junction, Bhutan Tawang, China, which is 22 km away from Tawang. Here roads bifurcate. The road to the right leads to Bumla and the road going to the left leads to Madhuri Lake. The continuous spiral path making us uneasy to sit properly. Every 10 minutes or so, there are numerous lakes that keep appearing. Also, blooming of rhododendrons around the lake makes it more enchanting. Now we are at 8 km away from Bumla. In 1959, Dalai Lama, on his way from Tibet to India, is believed to have escaped via Bumla. In the India-China War of 1962, the Chinese army invaded across the Bumla Pass. Hence, it can be said that Bumla lies at a strategic location in Arunachal. The pass itself is buried in snow for most of the time in a year due to the high altitude location. The whole route is strictly forbidden for drones to take videos. The ice-cold wind hit us as soon as we got out of the car. Army personnel takes us up to the border and briefing us about the past history and current scenarios. Also, we see the Chinese troops standing by hardly at 500-meter distance, wearing PP kit with arms. It was an awesome, thrilling experience. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience for us visiting Bumla. Photography and videography is not permitted beyond the barricade. Now driving to Shangeshta Show. The road to lake is bad. However, once we reached this place, we felt we have missed something in our life if not visited here. The lake was formed by a devastating earthquake which left just tree stumps on a place which was once a grazing land. This lake is out of the world and maintained by Indian Army. Shangeshta Show, also named as Madhuri Lake, is out of ordinary and transported us to all together different world of serenity, peace and tranquility. It is located at elevation of 13,670 feet. A large national flag of India fly touching the skies with backdrop of huge mountain.